Good morning. How to control count in yarn? Before going to the subject, I would like to say that in my experience, 90% of spinning mills do not follow proper approaches, and due to that, they meet huge losses every day. In order to help such types of mills, I am posting basic videos. Impacts of count in the process. The count of a yarn refers to the lead to lead count variation and is expressed in terms of the coefficient of variation. Due to higher count yarn breaks will more in spinning, outer corner, knitting, warping, sizing and in loops. Also, it affects fabric appearance via shade variation, webbed bar, streaks, stripes, drapes, absorbance and luster. Three types of count variations are shorter 1 to 10 times fiber length, medium term 10 to 100 times of fiber length, long term 100 to 1000 times of fiber length. Causes for higher count. For easy understanding, we can take 40 combed work as an example. Yarn, count meter 41, Lee weight in grams 1.58 and length of lace 120 yards. Row, hank 1.40 and weight same 1.58 grams and length in yards 4.1 yards. Sliver finisher, 0.130 hank, weight in grams 1.58, length in yards 0.38 yards. So, between count means variation in between if yarn 120 yards to 120 yards, lead to lead, if row 4.1 yards to 4.1 yards, if sliver 0.38 yards to 0.38 yards. Now we can easily understand the terminology and able to take the corrective action. If there is a variation between 0.38 yards to 0.38 yards in a finished drawing sliver, then it will lead to the lead count variation in the yarn. At the same time, if the periodic variation sliver U% is high, what happens? Everyone knows that the U% variation in sliver is the mass variation of 20 mm to 20 mm of sliver cut length. Then, its length in at yarn stage for the above parameter is 41 point is actual count divided by 0.130 sliver hank into 20 mm means that cut length of Worcester sliver U% testing and divided by 914.4 convert to yards. So 6.90 yards. So it reflects as within crop variation in the yarn. So approximately for every 70 rpm of the front roller in the wing frame, there will be a mass variation. Now you understand why sliver U% influences the working performance of wing frame. Spinning. Causes for count higher U% in row or sliver, ratching in row stretch in creel zone, wider traveling of traverse motion, inadequate top arm pressure, defective top arm top rolls, defective gears in drafting, improper running of top rolls bar apron, wrong selection but missing of spaces, draft variation in between the wing frame, poor groove feeding follow. Causes for coarser side row readings. Row hank may be coarser. The braid draft is not fully applied on the back top roller. Causes for finer side row readings. As per my knowledge and experience, 99% of chances are only because of finer side of row hand. The row hand here is on finer side. Without correcting the row spindle, going for the next work is a meaningless work. Simplex. Causes for count CV%. High U% in sliver, defective sliver coiling, defective can bottom plate, sliver cut and creep, sliver stretch bar split in the creel, wrong selection of creel tension drag, inadequate top arm pressure, defective top arm top rolls, defective gears in drafting, improper running of top rolls aprons, wrong selection missing of facers, diameter variation in the bar bobbin, row stretch bar uneven tension, row breaks, drag variation between the simplex, poor group feeding follow up. Drawing breaker and finisher. Causes for count CV%. High variation in the feed sliver. Sliver breaks in cording, breaker, finisher. Poor functioning of auto leveler. Poor maintenance of the scanning roll. Wrong selection of the scanning roll. Inadequate top roller pressure. Defective top rolls. Defective gears bar belt. Poor work methods. Cording and blow room. Causes for count CV%. High variation in raw material quality. Poor mixing or blending. Wrong selection of speed and settings. Malfunctioning of control units. Inadequate knowledge of process handling. Poor utilization of the waste collection system. Poor knowledge in hands correction, defective gears bar belt, poor work methods. Causes for count CV%. External. Apart from process line, there are so many chances for higher count CV. How? Please see the question. Whether the wrap block is in proper condition, whether the wrap is circumference 54 inches in all places, whether the wrap will rotate 80 times per operation, whether the electronic balance minimum accuracy is 5 milligram, whether QAD operators check the electronic balance every day, whether the QAD operator collect the sample as per the norms, whether the QAD operator find out the setting changes if anything was done earlier, whether the QAD operator confirm the group feeding before sample collection, whether QAD room environmental temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and harvest percentage 65. Daily workout. Same ring spindles with different simplex spindles. Take 10 brown bobbins with spindle numbers from simplex number 1 and set their hand. Put it in ring train number 1, spindle numbers from 1 to 10. Check and record the count, strength and CSP. Next day, take the next 10 bobbins in the same simplex and put them in the same spindles. By doing this, we can identify the row spindles in simplex. Same way, the second method, same simplex spindles with different ring frames. Take 10 row bobbins with spindle numbers from simplex number 1 and check their hands. Put it in ring frame number 1 LHS, spindle 1 to 10. Check and record the count, strength and CSP. Next day, take the same 10 bobbins and put them in ring frame number 1 RHS, spindle 1 to 10. By doing this, we can identify the roles in these variations in spelling. Thank you.